Always focus on goals, not obstacles. There are only two things that matter when you have a problem. One, you want to solve your specific problem. You do not want to simply bounce it back at the universe. And two, you want to create a desired outcome. You may see this as an invitation to delve into your past and look for answers. Perhaps you confuse solving a problem with fixing a problem. Some traditional coaches mistakenly believe that fixing a problem will lead to a desired outcome. But it never does. Let me illustrate this point with the following analogy. If you drive a car that is past its warranty stage and the engine starts leaking oil, that leak can probably be fixed. But before long you will start having transmission problems. Your suspension is no longer what it used to be, and on cold winter mornings your car will not start. So, if your desired outcome is to enjoy a trouble-free driving experience, plugging the oil leak is not going to be enough. You're better off buying a new car. This will solve the problem and not just fix it. In life, you're looking for a trouble-free experience, one that is no longer clogged by issues from your past. Or perhaps you want to take life in a completely different direction. What if you could restore your life to a point from where you can choose a different path to travel on? At some point in our life, we all arrive at a crossroads from where we have to decide, do we turn left or right? Perhaps we chose a partner and asked that person to join us on our journey. But what if we chose the wrong partner? Perhaps we committed to a career path based on education or family expectations. But what if we are unhappy with our career choice? Perhaps we started a business only to find that it's not profitable or even viable. What if we were seduced into believing that drugs or alcohol is the antidote to our pain? Maybe we're following a faith that no longer meets our spiritual needs. You can never go back to your past and change it. But you can return to a restore point and start a new journey in a different direction. You can go back to that crossroads and turn left where you once turned right. The intersection will look different. A lot of time has passed. The landscape around the intersection will have changed. Worse yet, the intersection is covered in debris. Hidden in all this mess are the seeds of hope, dreams, desires, goals, and ambitions that have been trampled on and now lay dormant in the dirt. Life is full of crossroads, moments where you have to make decisions and take action. You can never go back in time and change the decisions you made. But you can use the lessons you've learned from those decisions to move forward in a different direction. When you take a step back and look at the big picture, it's easy to see that we're all on a journey. We're constantly evolving and growing, even if we don't realize it. As we travel through life, there are times when we have to stop and take stock of where we are and where we want to be. When we reach a crossroads, we have to make a decision about which direction to take. Unfortunately, we can't go back in time and undo the decisions we made. But we can use the knowledge we gained from those decisions to create a new path. We can use the lessons we've learned to make better decisions going forward. At the same time, we must never forget the purpose of our journey, our desired outcome. Based on the coachable moment you just watched, here's today's coaching challenge. What will you find at your restore point? Select one of the following answers. 1. The seeds of hope, dreams, desires, goals, and ambitions. 2. Debris. 3. A new path to your desired outcome. Or 4. The end of the rainbow. The answer is Number 3, a new path to your desired outcome. Keep our Persona Coach community strong and get priority access to coachable moments with Persona Coach with your contribution of $5 per month. New episodes are added daily. Go to patreon.com/PersonaCoach.